Okay, welcome to this new programming video. In this, we are gonna solve the question of let's just reset this. Boom. Okay, we are going to solve the question of uncrossed lines, the most disguised question I've ever seen. Disguised, okay, because the concept was simple. The only thing was to recognize this concept, but as I was not practicing so frequently in the last few weeks, recently I started, right? So, in the past few weeks, due to internships and all, I was not covering the concepts. That's why I missed this one. Very great, amazing question. Very simple concept, but deformed in a very great way. Let me show you what gets given. So we are given two lists, and our task is to find the maximum number of elements to whom we can uh, cross, to whom we equate without crossing the lines. It may sound so weird, but have a look. See, if we are given these two arrays, the 1 and 1 can be matched, the 4 and 4 can be matched, but 2 and 2 cannot be matched. Why? Because if 2 and 2 will be matched, then the lines will cross, and that's not what we want to happen. Okay, so this is the question. We have to give the maximum number of elements which we can cross. Pause the video, think over it, what can be the solution. I know you'll figure this out. Okay, I'm giving out the solution. Very simple. It's LCS. It's longest common subsequence. That's it. I'll code it really fast. It's a simple concept of LCS. If you want to revise, I revised from this website, longest common subsequence. You can revise from Tushar Roy, I think its name. Yeah, Tushar Roy. So great teacher, helped a lot. Okay, so how we are gonna do this? First of all, you want to know the length of A and length of B. So length of A is equal to len of A. At the same time, len of B is len of B. In the longest common subsequence, we want an extra row, an extra column. We will create that as well. We will name it as dp for I in a range of len a plus 1. At the same time, for j in range len b plus 1. Once this is done, what we are trying, no, we don't need, actually we don't need the j as well. What we can do is that dp dot append 0 star len of b, and it's kind of plus 1 because we want an extra column. Okay, just a minute, that's it, plus 1. Yeah, okay, so we are done with creating an extra matrix. Okay, now we are starting from the first index. So from we are starting with 1 1, not 0 0. For I in range of 1 to len a plus 1, I'll increment it by 1. At the same time, for j in range 1 of len b plus 1 1. There you go. Also, I'll have to maintain a counter x equal to 0. I'll tell you why. I'll take the example of Tushar Roy. See, in this example, a b c d e f was right. Yeah, so here these are our rows, these are our columns. Now in every step I will have to repeat these columns, therefore I have take the counter, I'll increment it, and when the row is changed I will again set the counter to 0 back. Okay, that's why I've took this. Now what I'm going to do is that if my a of I is equal to b of x, then dp of ij is equal to dp of I minus 1 j minus 1 plus 1. Else what I'm gonna do is that dp ij is equal to max of dp I minus 1 j and dp I j minus 1. That's pretty much it. Return dp minus 1 minus 1. I think it will work. Let me just proofread everything. Okay, it's gonna work, I think. Okay, we got something. What's it? Mm, oh yeah, I have to figure that one out. The For I in the range of 1 to len plus 1. I don't think we are going right, but just a minute. For I in the range of 1, I have to start with 1. I have to go towards len of a plus 1, because that's what my matrix is. X is equal to 0, that's great. Okay, just a minute. I'll have to do that. I'll have to write I minus 1, because the matrix is 1 index, but our element is 0th index. What's happening? Our output is not getting right. I don't know why. Oh, sorry. dp of I minus 1, j minus, dp of ij is dp of I minus 1, j minus 1 plus 1. Or its maximum of dp of I minus 1 j and I j minus 1. I have to return the last element. Okay, why it's not working? Okay, let me just figure it out. Len is equal to len a, that's great. Len b, that's great again. dp, it's like my dynamic programming array. For I in the range of len plus 1 and dp dot append 0 into, let me just print it, that what's my dp is. Okay, we are getting 4 rows, that's great because that's what we want. Now for I in range of 1 to len a plus 1 and 1, I mean, oh, okay, I think we are not incrementing the value of x. That's where the problem is. X is equal to x plus 1, and let's do it again. And it worked. Okay, that's it. A great question, definitely worth a try. The question was deformed in such a way such that you would not know that whether it was a longest common subsequence. It's not straightforward. It's something tricky. You might know as well.